Ode to a Nightingale, by John Keats is a contemplative and introspective poem that explores themes of mortality, the power of art, and the desire for transcendence. The poem begins with the speaker expressing his desire to escape the troubles of the world and find solace in the song of a nightingale. He envies the bird's ability to sing so beautifully and longs to be carried away by its melodious tune. Keats vividly describes the nightingale's song, painting a picture of an idyllic scene filled with lush imagery and sensory details. The speaker becomes intoxicated by the beauty of the bird's music, which transports him to a different realm where he can momentarily forget the pains and struggles of life. As the poem progresses, the speaker reflects on the transient nature of human existence and the contrast between mortal life and the immortal world of the nightingale. He contemplates the idea of death and the possibility of escaping the limitations of the human condition. However, the speaker also acknowledges the fleeting nature of joy and the inevitable return to reality. He realizes that the nightingale's song, as beautiful as it is, will eventually fade away, leaving him to confront the harsh realities of life once again. Despite this realization, he cherishes the experience and the temporary respite it provided from his earthly troubles. In the final stanzas, the speaker contemplates the immortality of art and poetry. He believes that through his own poetic creations, he can achieve a form of lasting existence, transcending the limitations of time and mortality. In conclusion, Ode to a Nightingale is a deeply introspective poem that explores the themes of mortality, the fleeting nature of joy, the power of art and imagination, and the desire for escape and transcendence. It presents a poignant reflection on the human condition and the eternal beauty found in nature and artistic expression. For more details, contact us at www.hillaryacademy.com.